Hi guys, we will show you how to launch agent development kit by Google. Very easy in your local machine. So we start with this link, start with Python because it's the simplest way. Firstly, if you don't have Python, you need to install it. And if it's Windows, don't forget environment variables. Then you can go straight to any IDE. If you want, you can just use CMD or whatever. So in my case, I use Z. I already create the folder, and we need command line. I'll just paste and install Google ADK. Actually, it's already installed in my set, so I skip it. Next, we will need to create the project, my agent. I'll just create my agent in this folder. It will take only a few seconds. It's downloading updates. While and it asks, here it go, it asks to select a model. You select Gemini. It asks to select this configuration. How we will use Gemini. Don't select vertex, it's too complex. For this demo, the simplest, just Google AI. Enter API key. So here you can type your API key or you can paste it. Actually, for some reason, I cannot paste, I didn't embed. So you can copy paste from AI Studio. If you don't have API key, or if you have, you just press get API key and it will be generated. For this video, I'll just skip it because I will now go to .env. Here it will also say the same. So what is the structure of this agent? Agent, in essence, consists of these three files. .env, it's where you put your credentials, API key, because you cannot access any LLM without API key. That's it. It's only one line there, API key. Init PI, it's initialization file, also one line. It's basically just importing the library. And agent PI is actual agent where all the work is happening. So let me just show you. So .env is where you, so here, see my API key here. I will pause the video and put my real API key, but I will not show it because it's security reasons. Then there is init PI is just one line, as I mentioned. Basically, the main agent is happening here. Here, this is our root agent. We can call it, for example, let's call it like, I don't know, Tengri.Bot. We can paste this description. I don't know, it will work or it will not work, because how we guide this agent? Only by this instruction field. That's it. That's the only thing we can. Hey, why is doing like this? Okay, let's just leave it for the moment. And it's a strategy advisor. Okay, description, that's it. And we save our file. Yeah, let me pause the video. I'll put my API key, then I will launch, show you how to launch. It's very easy. Yep. So I pasted my API key. Now let's move on. We hit the API key. As you see, it took me really like 3 minutes. Now we just run the agent. No, sorry. It's not called my agent. It's called Tengri.Bot. Sorry. Run Tengri.Bot. Why directory Tengri.Bot doesn't exist? Tengri. Did I make a typo? I don't know. My agent. Let's just rename it as a name. Okay, let's just do like this. Let's just launch it in a web interface. With web interface, it will always work. For some reason, in my case, it's like this. So running on localhost. Let's go to localhost and see. And it shows my agent. So I guess I need to rename it. Sorry guys, I will need to rename it. Yeah. Probably there are some system instructions which do not allow. Who are you? Okay. Agent PI line 7. So it says line 7. Yeah, the error is this instruction. This is too long. What's the problem? I think I found the problem. It says wrong string here. Yeah. Because of this, brackets is getting confused. So the system gets confused because a lot of brackets. Let me just. Yeah, now it works. Who are you? I see no clear path. I am Tengri.Bot, strategy advisor. That's it. That is your agent, actually. Sorry, we had little bit problems, but it's this just for. I'm interested why it didn't allow to change the name. Yeah, it doesn't allow to change. Who are you? Should receive error now. Probably some cache. That's it. So you just make your agent. Here you can check all the details. Yeah. Responses, requests, etc., etc. Congratulations, you just launched your own agent. That's it, basically.